Hello friends, this is Deepika and welcome to Kanooni Soch. Friends, today we have got a video on dowry death. Most of the people face this problem when his wife put allegations of that they used to ask for dowry. She used to put false allegations and she used to put other allegations also like 498A, cruelty, mental torture, etc. Friends, it is very common and it is generally not taken so serious if wife puts such false allegations that they used to demand for dowry, etc. etc. They used to do mental torture, mental harassment and all. But if wife gives threat like she will commit suicide, otherwise fulfill her demand, and suppose she commits suicide, then it becomes very serious for her in-laws if blame comes to them. See friends, if wife is living in her matrimonial house, then definitely her responsibility is of her in-laws, and something if happens to wife, suppose if she commits suicide or any accident happens to her, then so if blame comes to her in-laws, then it becomes very difficult for her in-laws to face such a situation, such a critical situation. So friends, today my video is on this topic only. If you are facing same problem of dowry, supposing your wife has put false allegations on you, and suppose if it is a case of suicide, then this video can be helpful for you. We are taking Supreme Court judgment. This judgment is very important friends, because in this judgment the decision of lower court was changed by High Court, and then again in Supreme Court the decision of High Court was changed, and finally the conclusion was in favor of husband and his family. So friends, if you are facing a similar case, then don't miss this video, don't skip this video. And before starting this video, I would like to say, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed yet, then kindly subscribe and press the notification bell so that you can get quick updates of this channel. So friends, without wasting any time, let's move on to this judgment. In this case, wife's father filed a complaint of dowry that the husband and his family used to ask for dowry. After a few days, the dead body of wife was found at the back seat of a Santro car, and that Santro car was standing outside the house of husband. Now, in this case, when police found the dead body and they found that it was in the car, and that car was standing outside the husband's house, it shows that husband may be the culprit and his family is involved in this case. So they arrested husband and his family. Now when its trial was going on in lower court said that it found that there is no evidence which shows that the husband and his family are the main culprit. Actually friends, what happened, that wife had consumed a poison. Now lower court said that it doesn't show, there is no evidence which shows that that poison was given by husband only or by his family member. So here lower court freed husband and his family. Now this case went on to High Court. Now High Court said that it changed the decision of lower court by saying that they used to ask for dowry. There was a dowry complaint. So it shows that because of dowry they had given the poison, and because of which wife had died. So High Court sentenced 3 people, husband and his mother and father, to lifelong imprisonment. Now friends, this case went on to Supreme Court. Now Supreme Court analyzed each and every decision of lower court, of High Court. They analyzed each and every fact of this case, and after analyzing deeply, they found that they said that husband and his family are innocent. Why? Because when they found the dead body, Supreme Court said that when husband and his family found the dead body in the backseat of the Santro car, they quickly went to the hospital by taking the dead body. If there is any scope, they also reported to the police station about this. Now friends, it is clear that if someone is culprit now, then he will never do that. If somebody has himself given poison to his wife, then he will never take her to the hospital, or he will take her to the police station by saying that this has happened. But this family took the dead body to the hospital, as well as they reported to the police also. Now Supreme Court analyzed all this. Supreme Court also said that there is no evidence found that poison which wife had consumed, that poison had been given by husband or his family member only. There is no evidence, because wife had consumed poison. It may be due to some other reason also. So husband and his family cannot be found guilty for that. So by analyzing all this, Supreme Court said that it cannot be considered unnatural death. Now under section 304B, you cannot give punishment unless and until unnatural death has been proved. So Supreme Court said that it is not unnatural death, and therefore husband and his family are not guilty, they are not culprit. So it freed all of them. Friends, the parties of this judgment are Sandeep Kumar and others versus State of Uttarakhand. You can get this judgment by this name. I will also give its link in the description box. Friends, it really becomes critical that if a family is stuck in such type of a case, Friends, I'm not talking about those cases in which actually this happens, that the husband and his family used to torture the wife for dowry, and even it leads to her death. Then if it is the case, if it is the real case, then there is no worse thing than this. If it is so, then husband and his family should be punished, definitely. But friends, there are cases that if any accident happens to wife and maybe there is some dispute going on, then the wife's, her parents used to blame her in-laws that you have done this, and you have maybe done something that she has committed suicide. They used to put all the blame on her in-laws. So it becomes very difficult for the husband and his family to get out of such a critical situation. So friends, I hope this information, this judgment is helpful, useful for you. If it is so, then don't forget to like and share it. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and thank you for watching.